Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, checking in on Facebook. So the Bulls saw some nice follow through from the very strong close on Friday. We closed at the high of the day. Saw that gap up open. We did fill the gap. We pulled back. This lower wick is not accurate. We pulled down to, I believe, the low of the day, 120.57 and something along those lines. So the higher low is maintained, higher high, and we're looking at that all-time high of 122.20, likely to be tested tomorrow. If the Bulls cannot break it, we could see some further consolidation, and we could see on the initial rejection where we topped out 10 cents shy, pretty big bearish pullback from that level. So we'll be looking for a tightening range to form. If we can't break 122.20, we'll look to pull back, form a higher low compared to 119.31, and likely test this 10-day moving average support, which is approaching 120 psychological support. So the Bulls are still in full control. We have a clear resistance to keep our eye on, and the weekly time frame, that lower wick again is not that big. Bulls are still looking good here, and we're going to have fuel for a bullish MACD cross if we see new all-time highs on Facebook. Upper Bollinger Band, we know that's rejected the price, the past 5 attempts of that upper Bollinger Band, so we need to watch that at 123.06. That will be our first target if we break to new all-time highs. And obviously, the Fed meeting announcement on Wednesday, FOMC, at 2 p.m. Eastern is going to have a very big impact on the short-term direction of these markets. And if it's a bullish reaction, Facebook should have no problem hitting blue sky breakout and heading up towards those key levels. We also have Facebook earnings to keep an eye out for. But as of right now, FOMC is also pretty much just as important. So we'll be watching both very closely. I personally don't like to be in positions on coin flip scenarios like the FOMC and earnings. I like to wait for the overreactions in one direction or another and then play after that, having the odds in my favor at all time rather than relying on a coin flip move, having not done sufficient fundamental analysis as I am not a fundamental analyst. So thanks for tuning in. 122.20 all-time high test likely coming tomorrow. We'll check back in tomorrow after hours. Have a great night.